Hello friends, welcome to Global Artec Studio. In this video, we present a beautiful pen and ink sketch of a boat scene. Let's explore the details of this artwork step by step. Have you ever seen a simple ink sketch come to life? Watch as I create this stunning boat scene with just a pen and paper. This artwork I shows a traditional wooden boat floating on water. Its reflection ripping in gentle waves and two figures immersed in their daily routine. While I am going to sketch a dog sit at the bow. I am adding a touch of comprehensive to the scene. What type of material you need? So first you have drawing paper, smooth या texture paper for ink sketching. Second thing pencil for initial sketching. फाइन लाइन पेन्स इंक पेन या फिर 0.1, 0.3 या 0.5 mm for detailing. Before starting, visualize how the boat, people and background will fit into the scene. Use light pencil lines to sketch a rough outline. Keep your lines light so you can adjust proportion later. Use hatching and scribbling for dense leaves and texture foliage. Lightly outline distance landscape details to create depth. Let starts. Mirror the boat's shape and figures lightly in the water. Use wave, broken lines to show water movement. Avoid making the reflection too sharp. It should look slightly distorted. This pen and ink boat sketches is a great exercise in composition, shading and reflection. With practice and patience, you can create a stunning ink artwork that tell a story. If you try this sketch, tag me on Instagram at @AnitKushwaha so I can check out your amazing work. Keep creating. I will see you in the next video. Happy sketching.